Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in a green valley, there lived a kind and gentle king named King Ahmad. King Ahmad was loved by all his subjects, for he was fair and just, and always put the needs of his people before his own. The village was a peaceful and happy place, where everyone lived in harmony with one another. The villagers worked hard to grow delicious fruits and vegetables, and the king made sure that everyone had enough to eat and a warm place to sleep. One day, a great drought struck the land, and the crops began to wither and die. The villagers were worried, but King Ahmad did not panic. He called upon the wisest elders of the village and asked for their advice. Together, they decided to build a great well to bring water from a far-off spring to the parched fields. The king himself worked alongside his people, digging and hauling rocks until the well was finished. As the water flowed, the crops began to grow again, and the village was saved. The people rejoiced, and they all celebrated with a great feast, thanking King Ahmad for his wisdom and kindness. And every year, on the anniversary of the great drought, the villagers would gather to remember the king's bravery and selflessness, and to celebrate the peace and prosperity that he had brought to their lives. The end.